and service limits. Inside a subscription, we create resource groups to organize related services like storage, databases, or applications. Within a resource group, we deploy an Azure Storage Account. This account acts as the top-level container for data services and must have a globally unique name, forming a unique namespace accessible from anywhere. A storage account provides 4 key services. First, Blob Storage, designed for unstructured data such as videos, images, documents, and backups. Blobs are stored inside containers, which work like folders. Blob storage supports 3 blob types: block blobs for media files and documents, append blobs for logs that grow over time, and page blobs for virtual machine disks and large files requiring random read/write operations. Second, Azure Files, a managed file sharing service supporting SMB for Windows and NFS for Linux. It enables shared folders between VMs or apps and can sync on-premises files to the cloud using Azure File Sync, making hybrid storage seamless. Third, Queue Storage, used for asynchronous messaging between services following FIFO order. It helps microservices communicate reliably, process background jobs, and build event-driven architectures without tight coupling. Fourth, Table Storage, a scalable NoSQL key-value database for structured data. It uses partition key to group data and row key for unique identification within a partition. It's ideal for IoT telemetry, metadata storage, and fast lookups at low cost. Azure Storage eliminates the need for physical servers, offers high durability, security, role-based access, lifecycle management, and global availability, making it perfect for modern cloud-native systems built with .NET Core, microservices, and scalable architectures.